Your second layer of defense should aim to secure the data you stored in online accounts or in the cloud. When you think of storage, go broad. It's not only about the photos and videos that you have in your Dropbox account. This category also includes the things you've shared on Facebook, your postal address details saved in your Amazon account, all those instant messages sent over WhatsApp, your hundreds of emails, etc. All these bits and pieces of data define our identity online. And the truth is, we share much more data about ourselves than we can imagine. You can protect your online apps against intrusion by using antivirus, which works well to keep you safe against attacks that aim to compromise your desktop apps. Password Manager, an invaluable tool for keeping your credentials strong and storing them safely, even better if coupled with two-factor authentication. Automatic patching, that will save you time and energy, while keeping your software up to date and plugging those inevitable security holes. Anti-malware, to complete the functions, or a traditional antivirus, which sometimes cannot keep up with the huge amount of malware released each day. Encrypted messaging apps, to ensure that your communication is secure, both in terms of messages and files shared. Encrypted email, which guarantees that no one can decode your important email exchanges. Virtual keyboard, to keep safe from keylogging, which cyber attackers use to record your keystrokes and steal your passwords and other confidential information. Cloud storage, a good place to keep one backup of your previously encrypted data, so you can prevent data loss in case of a cyber attack.